Alright, hey guys, today we've got a total fire ban here in Adelaide, so we can't really do too much, but I'm going to do some pickle brined wings. I'm going to pickle brine them for 24 hours, then we'll season them in some Cosmos Q Dirty Bird, and then we'll smoke them over some nectarine for about half an hour, 45, until they reach an internal of about 130, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll get them out, coat them in some potato starch and rice flour, then we'll deep fry them, then we'll get them out and we'll finish them off with a glaze of some cherry apple habanero. So to start with, just got some pickle juice. It's just from some Always Fresh bread and butter pickles. It's a really nice sweet pickle juice which will help with the sort of savoury flavour you get from the Dirty Bird rub. So all we're going to do is put our wings in there in a snap-lock bag, pour our pickle juice in and let it soak for 24 hours. So we'll come back in 24 hours and we'll season them up, get the Acorn Junior going, throw some nectarine on and give them a crack. Alright, so we are back. It's been 24 hours now. So we can get our pickle brined wings out. We'll give them a season. And then we can set up the Acorn Junior to give them a smoke. So like I said, the Cosmos Q Dirty Bird there. Drip tray here, we'll just use that to season our wings in. So you'll notice that they've got a bit of a green tinge to them. That's just from the pickle juice. There's nothing wrong with them. There's a few mustard seeds in there that are shaken off. So we'll put them in the tray, give them a season. Let them soak for about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes while we get the smoker sorted. And we'll chuck them on for about half an hour and they should be ready. Open our shaker, just give them a nice coverage. Turn them over. They're all nice and seasoned. Give them a roll around, cover any bits that you didn't get. Alright, so they're ready. So now we'll set up the Acorn Junior. Set it up for a smoke at around 250. And we'll check it with our Inkbird. Remove it at about 140 and then set up the deep fryer. So we'll come back once the smoker's ready. Alrighty, so I've just chucked the charcoal in. Got some beautiful nectarine for a natural smoke. Chuck that straight on top. Chuck our heat deflector in. And then I'm going to chuck the wings on the grill and then use this tray as my drip tray. I'll chuck this on top of the stone. grill on top. Just like so. They look bloody awesome already. So we'll come back in about 20 minutes, half an hour, and check the temperature. So we'll be back soon. Right, it's been about half an hour. So I'm just going to check the internal temperature. 135 there, 140, 130. So that's pretty much done for the smoking side of it. So I've got some potato starch here, so I'm literally just going to throw them in here, and then we'll get the rest of the internal temperature up in the deep fryer. What I'm going to do, before I give them a coat, put my skillet in there, and then the glaze that we're going to use today is the Cosmos Q Cherry Apple Habanero. Pour that in there and let that heat up. Close my vents down, and that'll warm up nicely. Then we'll give them a brush once they've hit the deep fryer. So just going to give them a coat, and then we'll hit the deep fryer. Alright, just giving them a coat in the potato starch, give them a nice crunch. We'll dunk them in, give them 5 or so minutes, and they should be ready. Alright, we are done. So I'm just going to let them drain off on some paper towel for a few minutes, and then we will give them a glaze. Alright, so we've got our glaze nice and warmed up. I'm just going to grab our wing and literally just brush on that glaze. Do a couple, and we'll have a taste test. So, leave it there. That nice colour. So we'll come over to the table and have a taste test. Alright, time for our taste test. Expecting a big crunch from the potato starch and nice flavour, so. It's like real nice and sweet from that glaze. And you've got nice savouriness from the Dirty Bird rub. You got a really big crunch from that potato starch, so really nicely balanced. A little bit more. Nice bit of heat from that cherry apple habanero glaze as well. So. Right, that's really good. I'm going to go glaze the rest of them and get into it. So, cheers for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And you'll have to give that a crack for yourself at home. So we'll see you next time.